In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where file name extensions are not visible on Windows. This works for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. File name extensions are the letters that appear after the dot in a file name, such as .txt, .docx, .xlsx, .jpg, .png, .exe, and more. Sometimes Windows hides these extensions, so you only see the file name without knowing the file type. To fix this problem, first open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon or by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. If you are using Windows 11, go to the top menu and click View. Then move your cursor to Show and click File Name Extensions so it becomes checked. After doing this, file extensions will start showing in all folders. If you are on Windows 10, click the View tab at the top and make sure the box next to File Name Extensions is checked. For Windows 8 or Windows 7, open File Explorer, then click Organize and select Folder and Search options. When the new window opens, go to the View tab, look for Hide Extensions for known file types, and uncheck it. After that, click Apply and then OK. Once this setting is changed, you will be able to see the full names of all files along with their extensions. This helps you clearly identify file types and also reduces the risk of opening harmful files by mistake. That's all. This method works on all major Windows versions, including 11, 10, 8, and 7. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos for more easy and useful tech tips.